got so motherfucking design on right now. Bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. I got 3 old guys on the block.
You Marcus Miles.
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Miles. And Mr. Turk is your attorney, correct? All right, go ahead. What are we going to do today?
Your Honor, we're asking for a 3-week reset at least in order to get this case reindicted with the correct officer's name.
Okay, all right. Any objection? Did you say 3 weeks?
Yes, at least.
Okay. All right, done. Just want to make sure, get a resetting and then have a reset seat over there before he leaves.
I know that he's going to be able to get a reset because it hasn't been indicted yet.
What's the reset to get, come here?
Okay. I'm just making sure.
We can reset this case and then when a new case comes, we'll just.
So now I'm just making sure because I know that if it's going to be a new cause, I just want to make sure we're all in the same boat. So.
They'll move it with them.
Mm-hmm.
I trust them. Okay.
Me too.
They're going to get you a reset so the next day to be you.
And then just have a seat right over there before you leave. I want to test you to make sure all is well.
No, no, right here. Yeah, you're
Get
good.
a resetting from that lady.
And then you're going to need to sit over here. Right.
I'm right there.
Same that you.
And sir, this is from a fight. This right here, you see this? I got in a fight. No fight.
What does that have to do with
That's what I
what
was,
you're charged with?
I was trying to tell you.
Oh, okay. You just have a seat in the box. Thanks. Michael Phillips. 2 cases.
He definitely doesn't want this offer. That's a 12-year offer if he doesn't want them.
The day somebody comes in and says, I like this offer, I want this offer, I mean, I'll say, well, we better get some competency exam, you know, and then.
We're in court. They have to be quiet.
Yeah, we're not talking about you. We're talking about somebody else. We're talking about another defendant, sir.
I think he needs to use the restroom.
Oh, he's got to go to the restroom? You got to go to the bathroom? Oh, yeah. He's got to go to the restroom, he said.
He's about to be tested.
Oh, no. No, you're going to be tested first.
That ain't like that. It's not like this, sir.
Yeah, there's nothing we can do about it. They're coming, right? All right.
Yeah, hold it.
Here's Mr. Thomas.
Mr. Thomas is in the back.
Come on up. Thomas, I've got 2 cases, Gwen. One is 23-41501, failure to comply with sex offender registration, 3rd-degree felony. The other 25-CR340, obstruction or retaliation. And that's a 3rd-degree felony as well. He's got a prior conviction, so we can't get probation from the jury. What are we doing? What are we going to do?
Trial.
Okay, what do you want to go on? State gets choice.
Some registration.
Yeah, we'll go on the failure to register, Your Honor. That'll be the first one we go on. And then that's 41501.
All right, anything else you want to put in the record?
Yeah.
Did make an offer. I think the state made an offer of 5 years and dismissed on the registration and dismissed the obstruction. Mr. Thomas does not.
Okay, that's what we'll do then on the failure to comply. We'll set that for trial and get that, y'all get ready. Try to move it fast.
We get some paperwork.
Your Honor.
Yay, we're here.
This is
The guy right there, hurry, he's got to go. Me thinketh he protested too much.
Says he's uncooperative and drink a bunch of water and threw it up.
Just acting by. So.
Well, if he doesn't do it, his bond is revoked for failing to. I mean, you can see this a mile away.
We'll see what it is.
Trying to dilute it.
Sit down. Sit down.
Now what?
He's asking him, could I get a He's being uncooperative, man, or,
You don't have, you follow the orders. You follow the orders or I'll revoke your bond. You're gonna interrupt all day. That's the way you are. You have a rich history of trying to control everything. These are the rules you have to follow, I have to follow. Sir, I've ordered you to give a drug test, the test. If you don't, your bond is going to be revoked for refusing to do that. No matter what the result is, your bond is going to be revoked for refusing a court order. Do you understand? Now, we're going to wait all day if we have to, but if it gets to the dark, it's going to get revoked.
I'll get that, man.
Go do it. Go give a specimen.
There's another issue.
Yeah.
You asked the gentleman back here just to put water in the test. So I guess he wasn't able to actually urinate in it.
I didn't tell you.
So he's trying to falsificate.
And that man trying to see, look, sir, I told him to give me some water. He's sitting up there getting mad at me because I can't pee in the cup. He getting mad at me because I can't pee. That's what I'm saying. He get mad at me because I can't pee.
He said he's going to give you another chance.
All right, that's all.
Go on in there.
And you know I've been coming up there. I ain't been running for nobody.
Not a debate. It's an order for you to give the specimen, sir. Thank you.
No, you leave me. No, I didn't do shit. No, I ain't do nothing. You need to relax. I'm not trying to do anything. You're an action. Come on. Here comes another charge.
I wonder when they take the stuff out of his pants, what we're gonna find. Me thinketh he protested too much.
Yeah.
There's something in those pockets that I don't think he wants anybody to see or know about. Who is your lawyer? Brent, you're okay. All right, in Marcus Miles, 24 CR, don't interrupt. You come right out and you're rude. You've been doing all the talking. That's all I hear. Just you back there for the last 30, 45 minutes doing all the talking, but you don't act. You're not acting in a responsible way. In 24 CR 1680, you were indicted by the grand jury for evading arrest or detention, and that is a state jail felony. And you have 3 prior convictions in 09 and 14 and 2021 in felony courts as well as county courts at law for evading arrest and detention. I mean, you would think after the first one, you'd understand what the rules are and how it works and follow the law. Then you've got a prior conviction of theft of possession of stolen property, a state jail felony out of the 252nd next door in 2014. Illegal possession of cocaine, right? This controlled substance conviction in this court in 2021, that was cocaine. And then here we are, evading arrest or detention. The court has ordered you to provide a urine test, which you have failed to do. His bond is what?
$6,500.
Okay. Your bond is increased to $15,000. Plus, you must have a drug patch as a condition of bond if you post the bond. Plus, you have to have a GPS device so I know where you are at all times. You want me to add some more? Every time you make a crass remark, it's another reason for me to lodge another condition of bond because you're just asking for it. You're giving me reasons why we need to be protected, the community, from your ridiculousness. Don't you think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 convictions, felony convictions is enough and a sixth one on the way here with this one. It's time you started following the rules, Mr. Miles, like we all have to. Anyway, that's, I want a GPS device. You're going to be on home confinement. You can leave home if you do all of this, if you're able to get, all of these conditions done. You have to stay home, but you can go to and from your lawyer, to and from food, to and from medical care, and to and from church. But you have to go in the most direct route possible, and you have to work with the company that's working with the GPS so that they know what those routes are. And then what are we going to do next? What's the next event?
The
Trial?
Yeah, well, state, they have to re-indict this one.
That's correct, Judge. This is the one where the indictment was wrong.
Okay, well, I'm just going to put it on trial and we'll set it for trial. Let's move forward for that. And if it gets disposed of otherwise, then great. If not, let's fast track this. Okay, those are the conditions. And again, here, the standard bond conditions, sir, as you know, and this is why you're in the problem, is that everyone on bond is subject to being tested for drugs and alcohol at any time as directed by the court. That's standard bond condition number 2 of the criminal courts. Both of us, Judge West and I, have both signed these orders since 2022. Everybody knows what they are. You fail to provide these specimens as ordered, then that is why your bond gets revoked. All right, anything else? That is all. We're taking, it's taken into custody. Thank you. We have you back here, Mr. Miles, in cause number 24 CR 1680. As you know, I had ordered you to provide a urine specimen, which you failed to do. And the your bond, because it is based upon requirements, including, you know what? And if there was a felony for interrupting, you'd be guilty of that too. You can't help yourself. You got to be in control. You can't follow the rules of just common decency. So, one of the conditions of bond is you must provide specimens if ordered, and the court ordered you to do that. You failed. Your bond was increased to $15,000. Plus, I've ordered you a drug patch because of your criminal history with illegal possessions of drugs, a GPS and house arrest. I wanted to make sure you understood that house arrest is you can leave for those necessities, and I think I touched base with them. All medical necessities is a necessity. You need to have medical treatment. You can leave your house to and from the most direct route, food, to your attorney's office. This is all in the most direct route, and also a church. Those are all important if you need those. And again, you must, if you do get a GPS device, the people with the GPS need to know exactly where when you're going to go. You have to alert them ahead of time, and you have to tell them exactly where and in what route you're going to be taking. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
One other thing. Apparently, the court next door is trying to select a jury, which apparently you and the other guys in there have interrupted. She came in to talk to y'all about it. Yeah, you're apologizing now, but you interrupted those court proceedings. Plus, you referred to her in a derogatory fashion.
I didn't know her name.
No, you said you referred to her as Raquel.
Sir, I didn't.
You can't help yourself but interrupt, can you? Let me speak, and you'll get a chance to be heard, sir. You don't, you have to speak to people with respect. Live honestly, harm no one, give each person respect. Those are the basic principles all of us for living together on this planet should respect and honor and practice. You, however, with your rich criminal history, have refused to follow the rules, and now you're showing disrespect to an elected official, a public servant. I know what you did. I know what you did. That $15,000, it's $50,000. It's 50,000. You have to show respect. You can't interrupt proceedings in this courthouse. We're trying to take care of a problem, the 22nd largest county with the 16th highest crime rate. We have, which includes you in the crime rate. We're doing our best to run as fast as we can. We don't need people who act like you, disrespectful, to continue to interfere with the proceedings. Do you understand everything I've said? I've spoken in English. Anything you want to say?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
About that, I was having a word with one of the little fellows, and I was trying to ask him what was going on, what like and she kind of like was walking by, and I was like, oh, she was like, can y'all keep it down in there? And I'm like,
You were interrupting the proceedings.
No, I didn't know that. Mouse.
We have courts on both sides. You have a rich history of.
My born has.
You know what? Let me just get this point out. You were convicted in this court. You have been convicted in the 252nd District Court next door. You know what these courts were, you know how close they are to the holding cells. And you know you can interfere with them. Don't act like you're amazed and I can't believe it's not butter. You know when you're acting loud and boisterous, you're going to interfere, and they're trying to pick a jury over there. And nonetheless, we're in business every day. But to refer to her in a derogatory fashion by calling her by her first name and you said some other things, but I'm just referring to that. She has earned respect. We've all earned respect, and we're going to respect you. But sir, you're not handling your problems responsibly, and your bond for interfering with the court proceedings next door goes up to $50,000. I can move it up some more if you want to keep violating conditions of bond or acting rudely, but let's just stop with this and learn our lesson and move forward. All right? Anything else?
Yes.
You've got a problem with this case. You need to deal with Mr. Turk in a responsible way. Don't be rude to him.
Yes, sir.
But you're in a big mess here.
My bond has just been revoked, sir, and you got to look at how kind of like was lashing out in the cell.
That's no excuse to interfere with the court proceedings.
Sir,
you can feel disappointed all day long, but you don't interfere with the court proceedings. Do you understand?
I apologize about that.
Well, you can't undo them. You can't do it when he has to.
I didn't know that was her. I didn't know that was her.
You know where the courts are. You've been in both courts.
No.
Sir, you got a conviction in next door and you got a conviction here. Don't tell me that this is foreign to you. You know how this works.
Sir.
You're in holding cells. You've been in holding cells here in the past. We're just a few feet. Both courts. You know what it's like. You were taken in and out of the holding cell, which is just a few feet from the courts. You know you can interfere with the proceedings by speaking rudely and loudly, and you did it.
I tried to apologize.
We'll try to. You need to act more responsibly and less rudely and show respect to people, everybody.
Just to tell you that I didn't even cuss. I didn't tell her nothing.
You interfered with their proceedings. She had to talk to you, and then you referred to her by her first name. That's disrespectful. Disrespectful. Anything else? That's not the truth.
I did. That is the truth, Your Honor.
No, sir. That's not. I trust her over you. I trust her over you, sir. Thank you.
People forget about.
That is all, sir.
Deal with that woman like that.
Respect others. Thank you.